Hello, everybody. This is the Life of Claw. We are testing Claw. It's some of the new stuff we decide to try. We hope it works and we hope it doesn't become a big disaster. But if it does, we're gonna put it on our fails.
We've never been able to even drive it. Okay. Oh no. Alright, so there it is. And it is not taking power. It's off. What the hell? It ran into the can. It shouldn't have. Oh, God! That wasn't normal. We got on our way. I don't know what's happening. Something's wrong.
So our car has already broke.
Seems to. Because we had so many runaways.